So we are live now.
ओके
तो फिर
नहीं
नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं नितिन कालरा आपके बीच में फिर एक बार हाजिर हूँ अपनी लॉकडाउन वेब सीरीज का आखिरी एपिसोड लेके। जैसा मैंने बताया था कि लास्ट 3 एपिसोड हम वुमेन को डेडिकेट करेंगे, सिंधी वुमेन, हिंदी लेडीज। और परसों डिम्पल दलवानी हमारे साथ थी, कल मिसेस हिना शहदादपुरी मुंबई से, और टुडे आई हैव अ वेरी मल्टी टैलेंटेड लेडी, हिंदी लेडी, डॉक्टर नीलम मंछारमानी। वेलकम डॉक्टर साहब, जय
थैंक
झूलेलाल।
यू जय झूलेलाल गुड इवनिंग एवरीबॉडी थैंक you Nitin for bringing me on this stage
या
of
वेलकम।
yours which has
Let me
been
read out.
appreciated
हाँ, please,
globally.
please. Okay.
I
Let
said
me read
your
out your
series
introduction.
is appreciated globally. Everybody is talking very high about your series.
Thank you so much. Thank you for encouraging word.
Thank you.
I'm pumped up now. I'm pumped up now. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. So Dr. Neelam is a well-educated, multi-talented lady. She is MBA in marketing. Oh, MBA in marketing. So the host and guest today, breaking news. The host and guest today both are MBA in marketing.
Good, good,
That's
good.
that's news for you also. Okay.
Hmm.
So you are PhD in HR management besides having certificate in child brain development course from Philadelphia, USA. You're working with Airport Authority of India,
Ji.
and you have completed a book, Neelam, Mother of Hope and Joy. I'll ask you
Absolutely.
about that book. I'll ask you about that book.
Yeah,
You are also known as Iron Lady of Delhi. That's also your introduction.
yeah. Thank you.
You were awarded with Award for Disability Activism by ICUNR.
Right.
You
That
are a
was a
singer. I'll ask you about it. Let me just
okay.
read out your introduction first.
Thank
You
you.
are a singer, painter, and have done around 100 art exhibitions in India and abroad. Besides that, you are a mother and single parent of a specially abled child. I guess that's more than enough. If anything you want to add, you can add. If I missed out something.
No, no, you have said a lot, but let me talk two lines. I did, all the booklets for Asiad 82, and I was given a bronze medal in 82. So
Okay.
that was very important. We'll talk of the medals later on.
Yeah, definitely. Acha. So, shall we start the question and session?
Absolutely. Thank you.
Oh, fine. I'll go to that COVID series little bit later. First, I want to
Hmm.
know about your child and this disability activism. I saw your son's video actually. His name is Chirag, I think. Am I right?
Absolutely. Yeah, yeah,
And
correct.
he was watering the plants with the support of your domestic help, and you, I think, were behind the camera. Am I right?
Absolutely right.
I have done my homework. So please tell me about him and audience about him and your disability activism. What is all that about?
Actually, this child was born pretty much normal and he started going to Springdale School. He was doing very
Dholakua.
well, singing, talking,
Dholakua. Pusa Road.
everything. No, Dholakua.
Okay. Okay.
Jyoti Basu was the principal.
Hmm.
And everybody was highly impressed with Chirag when he started going to school. But then
Hmm.
soon after that, he lost his father and things started going backwards. Well, I think I was only born for great many different challenges to be accepted, which I have accepted
That is why you
strongly.
called Iron Lady. That is why you are called Iron Lady.
So nice. It's all you people who have made me an iron lady, basically. So then this child went on going backwards, backwards, started with speech, then other limbs and everything. I read somewhere about this child brain development course, which was to be done at Philadelphia. So I went there and I did this course. And I'm trying to help children with special needs, their parents, counseling them, how to look after these children. There are different types of children who have epilepsy, then there are children with autism, there are children with cerebral palsy. So I'm trying to deal with all of them. Some have difficulty in reading and writing. They read and write topsy turvy. So we have to tell them that please do it this way. Well, it's a very nice thing, and I'm happy with whatever I'm doing. I think even people are very satisfied when I give them lectures or I tell them to deal with these children in this way.
Okay.
From
So please carry on. Please carry on.
Springdale. Today, Chirag goes to Tamanna Special School. Although he is not able to help himself, for more than 20 years, we have been, diapering him 24 by 7. We have to feed him, we have to bathe him, we have to do each and everything for him. He's like a little god in the house. जैसे भगवान को भोग लगाते हैं वैसे हम उन्हें खिलाते हैं.
Acha. So your message for the parents who too have a specially able child, and I want to know about that school in Chanakyapuri. There's a school also, na?
They have
For this special.
in
I
Chanakyapuri,
think
but Chirag goes
Sanskriti.
to Tamanna.
What's the name of that school?
Chirag goes to Tamanna Special School that is in Vasant Vihar, and it's affiliated with DPS.
Fine. Okay. So is life tough?
Life is, of course, very tough, but if you smile and take it, ये जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा, जिये हलाई तियां वावा, तो चलते चलो.
मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया. देवानंद word, right?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
अच्छा.
बहुत
Your
बढ़िया
message.
पता चला गया.
हाँ. Your message for the parents, as I asked you.
These children should be handled with a lot of care, and they should be treated like any normal child. People should not feel that they are different and we don't need them, and they should be kept in abeyance or they should be kept in a room. Can you believe this child of mine, Chirag, has taken me more than 30 countries we have visited globally,
Wow.
also nationally. So
Wonderful.
I am really lucky that I have Chirag. He's like a crown for me. So I think every parent should look after their children in the same way that they are normal children. And we are blessed that we have such kind of children.
Great. Okay. So what are the precautions you are taking during this COVID and lockdown period, especially with your child?
It's very, very difficult because he cannot even speak. He is totally, non-verbal. So we are indoors and I take maximum care of him, or I've been telling people, please do not go out as much as possible. We make him sit in the house or we take him outside. We have a veranda and we have this little park. So we are just indoors. And the help who is looking after Chirag, I have told him, his name is Mohan, that you will not go home at all during this period.
Okay, fine. Acha, because you are associated with Airport Authorities of India and you are I would call you an expert. So tell me the impact of COVID on aviation sector, tourism, hospitality and trade, international trade.
See, aviation basically is fodder for the aviation, is life, is human life, is people. In this period of COVID or lockdown, everything is at a standstill. We have been getting so many messages on WhatsApp showing all the aeroplanes, they are standing on runways. It is really a very big loss, which is going to be compounded, cumulative, or whatever we may call it. And to come back, it will take a very big time because people are very scared. They are in stress. They are in fear. They don't want to come out of it. They feel that the moment they come out, something will happen. Such a big fear is there. And this industry, which was booming like anything, has come to a standstill absolutely as on today. Let's see what really happens. Time is going to tell. But it will take a very long time. It's going to be cascading, incredible. We don't really know what is going to happen because it's just unforeseen. It may take years, it may take a lot of months for people to come out of what is really happening today. It is very
What is your anticipation? When will things get normal?
Hopefully by 21 mid or after that, things will start normalizing. And
more
because
than a
year, the tourism is being affected badly. The hospitality is being
please continue.
No hotels are running, and there is going to be a lot of unemployment because of this. Economy is going down like anything. Shares are going down like anything. So it's very, very tough time. It's alarming, and we all have to be very, very careful. Extra care has to be taken.
Your
For
suggestion to
making these huge
Hmm.
airports, we have to spend big, big money on the
For their maintenance,
infrastructure, on designing,
maintenance.
on construction, on maintenance, and everything. And
Hmm.
today, since we have no revenue, we just cannot do anything. And many people are going to lose their jobs, which is really,
That will
huge.
add to the trouble.
Down.
That will add
Sorry.
to the trouble. That will add to the
And
trouble.
it will greatly add to the trouble. It will greatly add to the trouble. So we
Okay.
just pray to the Almighty, hallelujah, praise the Lord, and keep smiling and moving on.
Yeah. Okay. So your suggestion to the government, government of India, government of Delhi.
Of course, the suggestion is that, slowly and steadily they will have to open one thing at a time. And we have to educate people, whether they are from the lower category or they are from the middle or the higher, that we all have to take all precautions, the masking, distancing, everything is required. So,
Hmm.
to make the life move on and come on to the track, everything has to start slowly and steadily. And we will definitely win the race. हम होंगे कामयाब.
Take them. Okay. While we are doing this interview, Kejriwal ji is live and he is
Oh,
announcing the new norms of lockdown 4. So let's see what
right.
happens. Okay. So your message to the Sindhi community regarding this COVID and everything, and you can speak in Sindhi for this message
Oh.
as per your wish. As per your wish.
Okay. It was in 1947, independence time, when people were coming back. And that was the time असां घणेई सिंधी उतां वापस आयासीं. And
Hmm.
most of the Sindhis, they, flourished and they progressed and they went into different businesses. घणनि large scale business कया, कंहिं small scale कया, कंहिं medium scale कया. And today, with this lockdown and COVID and Corona, whatever we say, everybody is facing big crisis, very big problem. And tomorrow, when they start again, it will take big time because the workers have also gone back. For them to come back, it will take a lot of time. But yesterday, our finance minister, Nirmala Sitaraman, she has announced big, big things, for MSME and small scale and medium scale people. I'm sure Sindhis will also come out of it, again slowly, but definitely. They have to be very careful and they have to be very watchful in listening to what she has said and reading as to what she has told us. And when she gives us some kind of, finances, I'm sure we will come back to normalcy at the earliest. Jaldi jaldi ईंदासीं. जीअं हलायूं तीअं वाह. ऐं सुठो ई थींदो.
Ji, ji.
झूलेलाल साईं असांजो ॾाढो सुठो कंदो.
Everything is for the good.
Everything is for the good.
Okay. So let's shift the focus to your personal life now. Little bit. Okay. Tell us
Yeah,
about the book you have compiled. Neelam, Mother of Hope and Joy.
yeah. This book, was in my mind since many, many years. I was penning down, keeping aside, penning down, keeping aside. Once I put everything on my desktop and everything went off. There was some virus and it vanished. But then, because it was in my head that I have to complete it, I
Hmm.
started and I did it from the day one as I was born. I was born to a Sindhi family, of course, you know it. My father, Mr. Sukhwani,
No,
he
I don't
was
know it. You please tell to the audience.
my father, Mr. Lekraj M. Sukhwani, he was one of the very senior officers in the Ministry of Works and Housing. And also, for almost 3 decades, he was president of the Sindhi Association in New Rajendra Nagar. And very spiritual,
Sindhu
religious.
Samaj. You mean Sindhu Samaj.
No, Sindhi Panchayat in New Rajendra Nagar. He was active in
Same.
Sindhu Samaj also.
Achha, okay. They are two
Today,
different entities.
Yeah, today I am also a member of Sindhu Samaj, an executive member. I was also a member of the Academy, Sindhi Academy, also the Sindhi Global Junction. So to come back to myself, I did my studies in Convent of Jesus and Mary as a child. Then I did English honors and went on and on. I did not stop anywhere. Although my life was pretty much tough, I strongly went on and on so that I'm busy. I started my job with Clarion Advertising Services. I was looking after copywriting, proof making, dummy making, proofreading, editing, and everything. Then I came where I got this bronze medal in 82.
For
Then I joined Uganda High Commission.
bronze medal for?
I did all the booklets for them for all the
Okay.
events. All the
Okay,
booklets
okay.
were done by me.
Okay.
And they were highly appreciated. So I got the bronze medal. And the Clarion Advertising Services, they also gave me a silver medal for whatever I had contributed. After that, I
Okay.
joined Uganda High Commission
Hmm.
in their consular section, looking after trade inquiry, visa, passport, and immigration. Then I was with the UB group in their liquor division. Then
Malia.
Vijay Malia. He used to sit with us, talk with us, laugh with us. So then I came to Denmark Embassy, and last was, that is, Airports Authority of India.
Airports.
My husband used to
Yeah.
work there in cargo. So when he passed away, I got this job on compassionate
Okay.
growth.
So you have come a long way.
A very long
Okay.
way.
Fine. Very nice.
But
We
a
are proud
smooth
of you.
way and a lovely way.
Wonderful. Congratulations. Acha.
Thank you.
Tell me about this award for disability activism and what is this ICUNR?
This is the International Council for UN Relations. And since they were in touch with me and they were seeing all my activities regularly, on regular basis, they thought that, I should be given this. Because with children, I really become like them, these differently able. Many a times their nose is running, they are coughing, but they come and hug me. And I really have never thought bad about it. They are all like my Chirag. Even in the school, when I go, they all come running to me. My Chirag is non-verbal, but they all come to me. They talk whatever with their actions. They talk to me, and I really enjoy with them. I take them out for a party to McDonald's, and they have good time. Many a times on the Valentine's Day, on the Rose Day, and they feel very happy.
Wonderful.
So all
Very
these
nice.
things put in together, I think even at different embassies, I have been looking after these children.
Wow. Okay. Any future plans for you personally or for Sindhi community?
Of course, Sindhi community will do very well.
No,
Some
your
say
future plans for your contribution in the future for Sindhi community. You must have planned something.
I have planned. I have been doing a lot of programs, and I will keep doing more. Apart from that, I have had.
I'll stop you for a second. I'll stop you for a second. You know, many of your fans are writing to me that ask Neelamji to speak in Hindi. So please, just answer in Hindi.
Okay. मैं सिंधी समाज से काफी टाइम से जुड़ी हुई हूँ. जब से मैं छोटी ही थी, बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम्स हमने दूरदर्शन में भी किए, और आज भी मैं चाहती हूँ कि बहुत बढ़िया बढ़िया हम प्रोग्राम्स करें. एनसीपीसीएल के साथ भी जुड़ी, सिंधी एकेडमी के साथ भी जुड़ी, सिंधु समाज के साथ भी जुड़ी. आज भी जब वहां पे हम लोग ये वीकर सेक्शन को खाना वगैरह दे रहे थे, तो मैं उनके साथ भी जुड़ी और मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा. मैं वहां खुद जाके लोगों को खाना अपने हाथों से पकड़ाती थी, और मैं ये अपना जो भी कुछ कर रही हूँ आगे हमेशा करना चाहती हूँ. सिंधीज को टॉप पे रहना चाहिए, उसके लिए आई विल डू वॉट एवर पॉसिबल.
वंडरफुल. ओके. अच्छा, आप सिंगर भी हैं? कुछ फॉर्मल ट्रेनिंग या शौकिया?
फॉर्मल ट्रेनिंग थोड़ी सी मैंने कान दादा के पास ली थी. आई यूज्ड टू गो देयर. थोड़ी सी उमा लाला जी, थोड़ी सी पुष्पा आंटी, लाइक दैट.
2 लाइनें हो जाए सबके लिए?
एकदम अभी गाते.
सिंधी सॉन्ग होगा तो सबको मजा आएगा.
सिंधी
शो है तो सिंधी सॉन्ग होना चाहिए. हाँ, सिंधी सॉन्ग होना चाहिए. सिंधी शो है.
हम सिंधी आया, हम सिंधी आया, हम सिंधी आया, हम सिंधी आया, बोलिया बोली मिठी, बोलिया बोली मिठी, गीत सिंधी आया, हम सिंधी आया, हम सिंधी आया, गज सिंधी जिते, गज सिंधी जिते, मात सिक सां गजा, मात सिंधी आया, हम सिंधी आया। दमादम मस्त कलंदर, अलीदा पहला नंबर, दमादम मस्त कलंदर, अली दम दम दे अंदर, ओ लाल मुंजी, ओ लाल मुंजी, चार चराग तेरे बरन हमेशा, चार चराग तेरे बरन हमेशा, पंजवा में बारन आइया भला झूलेलालन, ओ पंजवा में बारन, पंजवा में बारन आइया भला झूलेलालन, सिंधड़ी दा सेवण दा सतीश बाज कलंदर, दमादम मस्त कलंदर, अली दा पहला नंबर, दमादम 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 मस्त कलंदर, आयो लाल सभई चओ झूलेलाल, तेरा ही पार, असां सभई ऑलवेज शाहूकार।
वेरी गुड, थैंक यू वेरी मच, आपने बड़े अच्छे अच्छे जवाब दिए। अच्छा, ये योर इंटरव्यू वाज टेकन अंडर द इनिशिएटिव बाय माय ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, इंडस सिंधी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। डू यू लाइक दिस concept of lockdown web series?
Absolutely. You know, globally people are accepting and they are sending a lot of wishes to you. They are very happy with it, and especially the way you have conducted all the beautiful
Thank you so
interviews.
much. Thank you so
Yeah.
much. Thank you so much. Thank you, Dr. Neelam Mancharamani, for
And
taking
thanks
time
to
out.
Nitin, thanks to Srena Sindhi, Mr. Dadwani.
Thank you. Yes,
Thank you
they are
so
very much part of it. Yeah. Thank you so
Yeah.
much. जय झूलेलाल, जय झूलेलाल।
जय झूलेलाल,
तो
जय झूलेलाल।
दोस्तों आपने देखा हमारी सीरीज, आज 3 दिन हमने प्रॉमिस किया था सिंधी समाज की प्रखर बुलंद आवाज महिला शक्ति, उनको आगे लाएंगे। ये सीरीज हमारी पूरी हुई, 12 इंटरव्यूज का हमारा पूरा जो ये सीरीज चली, वो लास्ट इंटरव्यू आज हमने डॉक्टर नीलम मंचारामानी के साथ पूरा किया। आपको कैसी लगी ये सीरीज जरूर बताइएगा कमेंट करके। आगे इस सीरीज को हम चालू करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे, किस रूप में करेंगे, क्या चेंजेस लाएंगे, वो बाद में हमारी टीम डिसाइड करेगी। आपने मुझे भी सुना, समय दिया, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद है। जय झूलेलाल।